This is a review of ORIX's consolidated financial results for FY 2024. ORIX Corporation was established in 1964 and has grown from its roots in leasing in Japan to become a global, diverse, and unique corporate group. Today, it is active around the world in financing and investment, life insurance, banking, asset management, real estate, concession, environment and energy, automobile-related services, industrial ICT equipment, ships, and aircraft. Since expanding outside of Japan in 1971, ORIX Group has grown its business globally and now operates in around 30 countries and regions across the world with approximately 35,000 people. Consolidated final profit for the fiscal year ending March 2024 was 346.1 billion yen, an increase of 19% from the previous fiscal year, and is expected to increase by 12.7% from the previous fiscal year to 390 billion yen for the fiscal year ending March 2025, a record high for the second consecutive year. The company is expected to renew its profit, and FY 2024 earnings per share was 299 yen, which increased by 21%, and dividend per share was 98.6 yen, which increased by 13 yen. Overview of business performance. Total revenues for the consolidated FY 2024 increased 6% to 2,814,361 million yen compared to the previous fiscal year, due to increases in life insurance premiums and related investment income, services income, operating lease revenues, and finance revenues, despite a decrease in sales of goods and real estate. Total expenses increased 5% to 2,453,648 million yen compared to the previous fiscal year due to increases in selling, general and administrative expenses, interest expense, and life insurance costs, despite decreases in cost of goods and real estate sold and services expenses. And income before income taxes for the fiscal year increased 20% to 469,975 million yen compared to the previous fiscal year. And net income attributable to ORIX Corporation shareholders increased 19% to 346,132 million yen compared to the previous fiscal year. FY 2025 forecast. Next fiscal year, FY 2025 net income is expected to be 390 billion yen, increased 13% from previous year, and forecasted to achieve a second consecutive year of record high profit. And earnings per share will be increased 14% to 341 yen in FY 2025. Shareholder returns, profit distribution policy, and dividends for FY 2024 and FY 2025. ORIX aims to increase shareholder value by utilizing profits earned from business activities to strengthen business foundations and make investments for future growth. At the same time, ORIX strives to make stable and sustainable distribution of dividends at a level in line with business performance. In addition, with regards to the decision of whether to buy back the shares, ORIX aims to act with flexibility and swiftness while considering various factors such as the business environment, share price and its trend, the soundness of financial condition, and target performance indicators. Based on this fundamental policy, the annual dividend for FY 2024 has been decided at 98.60 yen per share. The payout ratio for FY 2024 is 33.0%. For the next FY 2025, the annual dividend is forecasted to be 133 yen and payout ratio of 39. Conclusion. Both revenue and income increased from the previous fiscal year, and FY 2024 earnings per share, 298.6 yen, and dividend per share, 98.6 yen, was the highest amount and a new record. ORIX declared to raise dividend payout ratio to 39% from 33% for next fiscal year, and they are willing to buy back the shares. ORIX seems to be very proactive about shareholder returns. Based on the review of FY 2024 financial report, the company's business conditions are great.